King got the hammer in the king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another Christmas themed video. If you are interested in learning how to make this red glitter gloss, then you just keep on watching. So we're going to start by adding our caramel apple flavoring oil from Get Suckered to our Ready Gloss gloss base. Next, we're going to add this TKB lip liquid in the color Red 5 to our gloss base so that we can get that nice red color that we are trying to get. You want to make sure that you shake the lip liquid bottle because the colors can separate inside of the bottle. So you want to make sure you shake it before using it. You will see that a little bit of water comes out while I'm trying to squeeze the lip liquid, just because I guess I didn't shake it good enough, but that was a good example for me to show you exactly what I was trying to explain. Next, I decided to go ahead and add this candy cane lip liquid because it's more of a darker red. I felt like the Red 5 or Red 6 color wasn't dark enough, so I need the color to be like a solid red. So I'm going to add this candy cane lip liquid to darken up the red. Next, to give it that Christmas vibe, we're going to go ahead and add this red glitter and really jazz this gloss up. And that is how we got to this beautiful part of the video. This is how we got that nice red glitter gloss. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy the video. Now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill all of these squeeze tubes. Don't forget that everything that I use in today's video will be linked in the description for you guys. Also, here's a close-up on the syringe with the gloss inside. I just thought it was super cute in the syringe as well. This gloss shade is really, really pretty. I'm obsessed with it. It definitely gives holiday vibes. It's giving Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, okay? Period. Material girl. How much you guys love lip swatches, so you know I had to give you one. So here is a video of me wearing the gloss that I just created. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and I hope that your holiday season is going amazing. I will see you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king king got the hammer king got the hammer in the ring.